Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday. In this episode we'll be talking about the Igaging Digital Wheel Marking gauge. With the old style pin marking gauge, you'll find marking along the grain is quite easy, but marking across the grain can be quite difficult. With the digital marking wheel, it has a small wheel with a little bevel on it, which will run along your workpiece and cut in that line like a little blade would. This means you can cut both cross grain and with the grain. The little wheel on this marking gauge is beveled in a way that when you're holding it up against your work, it'll actually pull the fence towards your workpiece to make sure you've got a really nice, accurate, continual mark. You'll see it has a nice, big, clear digital LCD screen. It'll actually give you accuracy down to 0.0254 of a millimetre, which for all the woodworkers I've met is more than you should need. With just the press of one button, you can change it from metric to imperial, which is a fractioned imperial, or you can have it in decimal imperial as well. You can also take the little cutter wheel off, and this tool can be used as a height gauge, which is fantastic for setting bits onto your router table. It could also be used as a depth gauge. For any more information on this product, or any other products available at TimberCon, click on the link below, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me today, and we'll see you next time. Thanks guys.